Alright guys, so today I'm going to use WhipSip, and we are known for keto recipes and other information videos. So we've been cooking a lot of videos, making a lot of videos. So we've done about almost 210 and more than that videos. So I'm going to use my hands on this one, and I'm sure it's going to be wonderful because a lot of my friends has used this one and they're damn happy about this one. And I'm really excited about this particular product. We can make juices, we can make coffees, and that's exactly what you want if you're a fitness professional or if somebody who's taking fitness very serious. They want something which is very easy to make, that kind of emulsion. So we got it over here. Let's have a look. Alright guys, so I'm really excited to open this WhipSip, and it seems like an amazing product. So right, we got some amazing bottle here. Here comes the main machine here. Thank you WhipSip for sending this to us and letting us try this. Is an amazing product. It looks high quality. Alright, so now we're going to make about say almost 2 to 3 recipes by using WhipSip today. So let's go.
Half a cup cashew milk. You can also opt for coconut or almond milk. To that I'm going to add 1 whole apple, and lastly 1 cube of ice.
Alright, so my cashew apple milkshake is ready, and in no time. And all you have to do that, once you remove the blender, put the zipper lid on that and you're good to go. Alright guys, the WhipSip milkshake is ready in no time. It took really some minutes to prepare this one, and the coolest thing is that it's international in quality. So I love it, and I suggest you guys to go on the website and check it out and get yourself one. Alright, to get such kind of amazing recipes, you want to make sure that subscribe and hit the bell icon that you always get to know about our new recipes and information videos coming every single day for you guys. Cheers! I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.